Speed ramping is one of the most popular editing techniques for creating cinematic and high-energy videos. It allows you to smoothly transition between slow motion and fast motion, making action scenes, travel videos, sports edits, and B-roll feel much more dynamic. And in Adobe Premiere Pro, speed ramping is easier than it looks once you understand the basics. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to speed ramp in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import the footage you want to use for speed ramping. Now drag the video clip onto the timeline to create a sequence. For smoother slow motion, speed ramping works best with high frame rate footage like 60 FPS or 120 FPS. To start speed ramping, right-click the FX badge on the clip and choose Time Remapping, then select Speed. And that's your full guide on how to speed ramp in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create smoother and more cinematic motion effects using Premiere Pro.